What if you could jumpstart your weight loss by cutting carbs completely? For many, the no-carb diet plan for weight loss has been a game changer. A no-carb diet is all about eliminating foods with carbs and focusing only on best protein foods, no carbs, healthy fats, and nutrient-rich veggies. Why is it so popular? People love it for fat burning, fewer cravings, stable energy, and rapid weight loss. These no-carb meal ideas can make the journey easier. And the best part, you don't need complicated cooking. With the right no-carb shopping list, you can prepare easy no-carb meals even if you're a beginner. Stay tuned because in this video, I'll share the benefits of a no-carb diet, the risks you should know, practical no-carb diet breakfast ideas, lunch ideas, and dinner recipes, plus a complete no-carb grocery list to get started today. So, what exactly is a no-carb diet plan for weight loss? Unlike a regular low-carb or keto diet, this plan cuts out carbs completely, focusing only on protein, fats, and very low-carb vegetables. On a no-carb diet, your body no longer relies on glucose from carbs. It switches to using fat for energy, making it a strong fat-burning approach. Many people compare low-carb versus no-carb diet, and while both can help with weight loss, no-carb pushes fat burning to the next level by removing even hidden carbs. Who benefits the most? This approach works best for weight loss seekers, those with insulin resistance, and anyone looking for fast results with a structured no-carb diet food chart. If you're wondering how to start a no-carb diet, the key is to keep it simple. Choose proteins, healthy fats, and zero-carb vegetables. Then repeat. One of the biggest benefits of a no-carb diet plan is rapid fat loss. By lowering insulin levels, your body taps into fat stores for energy faster than ever. Another benefit is appetite control. When you eat no-carb high-protein meals, you feel full longer, cravings disappear, and snacking becomes optional. Many people also notice stable energy and improved focus. This is why the no-carb lifestyle foods are often praised for boosting mental clarity throughout the day. With enough protein, this plan helps preserve lean muscle while burning fat, which is key for long-term success. And perhaps the most motivating, the no-carb diet transformation stories, people dropping weight, gaining confidence, and feeling healthier within weeks. While the benefits are clear, it's also important to know the side effects of no-carb diet, especially if you're just starting. In the short term, you may experience fatigue, headaches, or what's often called the keto flu. That's your body adjusting to burning fat instead of carbs. Nutrient deficiencies can also happen, since cutting carbs means less fiber, vitamins, and minerals from fruits and whole grains. This raises a common question: is no-carb diet safe? For many, it can be safe short-term, but for long-term sustainability, it's essential to use smart no-carb diet tips and plan carefully. Always be aware of potential no-carb diet dangers, and talk to a healthcare professional before going all in, especially if you have existing health conditions. Let's talk about the fun part: no-carb diet meal ideas you can actually enjoy every day. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks, there are plenty of easy no-carb meals that are satisfying and simple to make. For no-carb diet breakfast ideas, think scrambled eggs with cheese and spinach, an omelet with smoked salmon, or even boiled eggs with avocado. Moving to no-carb lunch ideas, grilled chicken Caesar salad without croutons, tuna salad with cucumbers, or beef patties with fried eggs are perfect options. For dinner, there are many no-carb dinner recipes: steak with sautéed mushrooms, baked salmon with asparagus, or roast chicken thighs with zucchini noodles. And don't forget snacks. Zero-carb snacks like cheese sticks, beef jerky, or hard-boiled eggs are lifesavers when hunger strikes between meals. To make this lifestyle simple, you need a clear no-carb shopping list. Having the right foods in your kitchen means you'll always be ready to prep meals without temptation. Proteins should be the base of your no-carb diet grocery list: chicken, turkey, beef, pork, lamb, and fish like salmon, tuna, sardines, and mackerel. Don't forget eggs and dairy. Cheese, butter, and cream all make the no-carb foods list for weight loss and are easy to add to meals. For vegetables, stick to very low-carb options like spinach, kale, cucumbers, zucchini, mushrooms, and bell peppers. These fit perfectly into any no-carb diet food chart. And finally, add fats, oils, and extras. Olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, ghee, jerky, pork rinds, herbs, and vinegar should all be on your shopping list for no-carb beginners. Staying on track with a no-carb diet plan for weight loss can feel tough at first, but the right strategies make it sustainable. First, prep your meals in advance. Meal prep for no-carb diet keeps you from grabbing carb-heavy options when you're hungry. Keep zero-carb snacks like jerky, cheese sticks, and hard-boiled eggs on hand. They're quick, portable, and stop cravings. Drink plenty of water and add electrolytes to avoid fatigue. Hydration is key when adjusting to no-carb lifestyle foods. Track your progress weekly, not daily. Small steps add up to a big no-carb diet transformation over time. A no-carb diet plan for weight loss works when you stay consistent with smart choices. With these easy no-carb meal ideas, you can burn fat, reduce cravings, and boost energy without feeling deprived. The no-carb shopping list we covered makes starting so much easier. Just stock your fridge and you're ready to go. Remember, progress comes step by step. If you're wondering how to start a no-carb diet, begin with 2-3 meals and build from there. So pick a couple of meals, prep your ingredients, and take action today. Your no-carb diet transformation starts now.